Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to learn how to make money just by watching videos. Yes, as you can see on the screen, do you want to earn money just like this guy who's just watching videos on his desktop? If you do so, then make sure you stick till the end of the video and do subscribe to our channel. Now in this video or on the channel, we actually tell you the ways how do you make money. Now, it doesn't mean you will get rich overnight, but obviously there are millions of ways online to make money. Now, that money could be in cents, or that money could be in dollars, or it could be in billions of dollars, okay? So just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video here. And in this video, we will show you 3 websites where you can go and sign up and you can start making money. Okay, so let's start the video and make sure you Alright, so the first website is ucubes.com. As you can see at the top, you-cubes.com. Now once you go to the website here, you will need to register for your account, so make sure you click on a sign up for free. Then you put in your details. I am already logged in, so this is my dashboard. Now once you are signed up, once you're logged in, you will need to click on earn here right at the top and click on AdSense Media Offer Wall. Once you click on AdSense Media Offer Wall, then you will see this dashboard and it says how much will I earn. So you'll have to divide the points displayed by 1,000. So let's go at the bottom here. First, let's click on videos. Once you click on videos, these are the points. Now you'll need to divide the points per 1,000, and you can imagine how many videos you need to watch every day to make some income. Okay, so you will get points and then you can cash out those points in PayPal or in Bitcoins, as you can see right at the top. All right, mostly they go for PayPal and Bitcoins. So this is one website where you can also do surveys, right? If you have extra time, you can choose to go with featured options. Normally surveys pays you more. As you can see, they have 104 points. So surveys gives you up to even 270 points, okay? But surveys take time. So you can do multiple things. You can watch videos, you can earn from surveys, or you can opt in for other features as well on this website. So these are the ways you can actually get paid, okay? You will not get rich, but if you are retired, if you have a lot of time, you can do this maybe 1 hour per day, and maybe you can make some extra 10 bucks, 20 bucks, who knows, okay? So the calculation of the amount is not a guarantee how much you will make, but the concept is that yes, you will get paid to watch some videos and fill some surveys, okay? Now let's go to the next website, which is earnably.com. okay, so the URL is earnably.com. Now once you go to the website, the same thing, you have to sign up for the website. I'm logged in already. This is my account, as you can see here. Now all you need to do is click on earn at the top and then click on videos here. And once you're in the video section, it is going to load all those videos for you on daily basis. And here you can click on the green button and you can watch that video and you can start collecting points. And as soon you have enough points, you can request a payout. So you can go to redeem section here and you can choose PayPal to redeem the points. And you can also go into the frequent asked questions to learn everything. How do they pay you, what all you need to do in order to start. But in short, these websites do pay you to watch videos online, okay? Now let's go to the third website, the last one for this video, which is called mybitcointube.com, which you can see right at the top. Now the concept of this website is that they will pay you in Bitcoins only, and they charge advertisers in Bitcoins. That's the whole reason. So this website pays everybody to watch YouTube videos. Now the condition here is that you need to watch the video for at least 1 minute, for 60 seconds, and they charge advertisers for that time. Okay, so the chances of you getting paid here are higher because you can get paid up to $21 per video, per 60 second of that video. Okay, so the way it works is that people will advertise their YouTube videos on their platform. So let's say if I run my YouTube video, I want to reach out to more audience, I want more people to see my video, I'll come to this platform, I'll put in my video here, I'll put in my funds, I'll add my Bitcoins, and I will set my advertising budget, and then those videos will be sent to you in your account here, and you will be watching those videos, and the funds will be deducted from my account. So that is how this concept works, which means if you sign up for this account, you will get paid for watching the videos, and then you can go to their frequent asked questions at the top here. You can understand how this works. What is this website? How can you earn Bitcoins, or how can you cash them out? The minimum payout is $10 in BTC. So as soon as you have collected 10 US dollars, they will pay you in BTC. And you can see here what are the do's and what are the don'ts, and then you can start earning money by watching videos. You can even earn by affiliate commission as well. So if you refer people to sign up to this website, if your friends and family sign up to this website, you can get paid commission as well, 20% commission as an affiliate when they upgrade, and 10% when they sign up for free and watch videos. Okay, so there's no limit here if you want to refer somebody, and there is a number of there are a number of websites and opportunities on the internet. Now this will not give you thousands of dollars per day, so I'm not saying you will get rich, but because this video was on the topic if you can earn money by watching video or not. So yes, there are certain sites on the internet. You can go to YouTube's, you can go to Earnably, you can go to mybitcointube.com, and the concept works. The concept is legitimate, it works, but it will not get you rich. So if you have spare time, if you can give out 1 hour, 2 hours every day, if you have nothing else to do, you're free, then you can try it out. Maybe you can get a few bucks extra per week or per month. That's no harm, all right? But certainly it might not make you rich. Okay, now before we end the video, if you are an affiliate marketer, or you are running your own blog or your own website, and if you want a website hosting for a lifetime, because the website hosting you are using at the moment, it might be GoDaddy, it might be DreamHost, it might be Bluehost. Okay, so if you are looking for a one-time website hosting with unlimited domains, then check out the link in the description below, because you can stop paying for monthly subscriptions and you can get this at one-time cost. So if you click on the link in the description below, you can buy this unlimited hosting. You can host your websites or blogs on this particular hosting here, Hostpresso, and then you don't have to pay monthly subscription. It only comes at a one-time cost. So do check out if you're running a website or a blog. And we will end this video. If you wanna earn money online by watching the video, go and sign up, with your account on these websites, and we will come back to you with another money-making video shortly. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe.